Step into the world of monkey grass. It's one of the most common edging and ground cover plants in southern gardens, and it's tougher than it looks. Let's explore what it is, how it grows, and why it's such a reliable garden favorite. Monkey grass is the common name for Liriope, a hardy grass like perennial. Even though it looks like a grass, it's actually part of the lily family. It's known for its deep green foliage, its ability to handle tough spots, and those purple or white flower spikes that sometimes pop up in the summertime. There are two main types you'll see: the clumping type and the spreading type. Both are super dependable, but they behave differently in the garden. Monkey grass is one of the easiest plants you can grow. Here's what it loves: full sun to shade, it's flexible, almost anything for soil as long as it drains. And when it's young, you need to water it regularly. Then it's drought tolerant, and once it's established, you can let nature take its course. Trim back old foliage in late winter or early spring to make room for fresh growth. It's a plant it and forget it kind of perennial, perfect for borders, walkways, slopes, and anywhere you need something tough. Up close, monkey grass has surprisingly pretty blooms. In mid to late summer, you'll see little spikes of purple, lavender, or white tucked between the leaves. They're small but charming, and they add a nice pop of color. After the flowers fade, many varieties produce dark berries that hang on into fall and winter, giving the plant a little extra interest. Here are a few common types you might recognize: big blue, tall, full, and great for borders; variegated liriope, green leaves with creamy white stripes; royal purple, deep purple flower spikes; and spicata, the spreading type often used for erosion control. Each one brings a slightly different look, but they all share that same dependable nature. Now, here are a few fun facts about monkey grass. It's evergreen in many climates, staying green all year. It's deer resistant, which is always a win. It's often used to solve tough garden problems such as erosion, bare patches, and shady corners. It spreads slowly, making it great for filling in spaces over time. Monkey grass may not be flashy, but it's one of the hardest working plants in the garden. So that's your up close look at monkey grass. Simple, sturdy, and surprisingly beautiful when you take a moment to appreciate it. Whether you use it for edging, ground cover, or just to fill in a tricky spot, it's a plant that always shows up and does its job. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.